In this video we will show you how to install a wet jet machine. First, get the cabinet ready by attaching the gloves and giving electric supply. Then take the water tank and fill it with clean water up to half the level of tank. Connect the pipe to compressor and attach the press fit tees as shown in the video. Give pipe connections to wet jet machine and water tank. Now connect waterline pipe from tank to wet jet machine. Now open the required valves as shown in the video. Always make sure the pressure regulator of tank is fully closed. You need to rotate the knob anti-clockwise to reduce pressure and clockwise to increase the pressure. Set the water tank pressure to 1.5 bar and wet jet machine pressure to 3.5 bar. Connect the pen to wet jet machines using the silicone pipes. Adjust the flow of air and water using flow control valves. Airflow control valve is kept fully open. And water flow control valve is opened slightly to required amount. Installation of wet jet machine is complete.